Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your calendar alert to notification only with short sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on alert style. Now make sure you select light. If you choose medium or strong, it will alert you with a full screen. So if you want to use notifications only, set it to light. And you can also change the short sound as well. So in here, tap on sound. By default it is set to sticky. Now you can choose other sound that you want to use. And then tap on the back key. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.